Berkeley Chef channel. I'm Chef Caleb and today we're gonna make chocolate pop crunchy pie. We have some Rice Krispies here. We're gonna throw it to a food processor. I got this under control. Almost done. Oh yes, it's done. Wow. Now we're going to put this into our container again. Put that aside. Put our almonds pulse. Put it in our container again. We are done with the food process coming together real quick.
Hi, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're new here, make sure to go on over to join our free email list at berkeleychefs.com/join the list. Now let's go back to the video.
We have our small bowl for our Rice Krispies almonds, our sesame seeds, our cranberries, salt, put our spice. Oh hi!
You want to put in the crystallized ginger?
Sure. I'll put in the marshmallows. I like these. Good. Now we're gonna save the chocolate chips to melt.
And I'll mix the bowl in the meat.
It seems like you're turning the bowl instead of mixing it.
Well, all the ingredients are well incorporated.
Yes. Wow, that's cool. Okay, so we're gonna melt some chocolate.
Oh, I'm melting the chocolate chips.
Now this chocolate, we're gonna mix everything together and it will be
Chocolate crunch, Rice Krispie.
guys, kind of like Rice with some sesame seeds, which are healthy.
And you could also serve it out to many people since they're all small pieces. It's finger food.
I'll let you have it.
Okay. Stir vigorously, pot. You better get melting this thing real good.
Put a little bit oil to make it more better, or we could leave it. Mix it slowly and carefully. Slowly and carefully.
And I'm not even done mixing, then you want to start pouring it. If you want the measurements for all the ingredients that we use in this recipe, make sure to go and check the link in the description.
It will be at berkeleychefs.com.
Here, I'll give you a turn. Next, we're going to get an ice cream scooper, or a scooper we call it. Works pretty well. And we're going to scoop them out and put them on trays, and then we're going to refrigerate them.
And if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to
hit the like button or subscribe to our channel.
Thank you very much.
Back to the video.
We're going to take it out and
scoop them into scoops. Gotta hurry up. I'll just make it a little bit more round. I don't have a problem with it. I'm making it a funny macaroni.
whoa, that has a lot of marshmallows.
This whole place is smelling lovely with this thing. Right, Chef Caleb?
Yeah, smells lovely. This painting was painted by me. Started painting this and then I wanted to enter into the My Road Reel contest. So I finished painting this painting. And I put it a beaver because my project was about beavers.
Hey, didn't you make a video about beavers?
Oh, well, you can check that up right about here, or I'll leave a link in the description below. You can get prints of these paintings at berkeleyfamilyart.com. Now hold on, you can find out the rest of the story about this painting. I'll leave a link to the video in the description below.
Okay, so we're gonna put this in the refrigerator.
We'll tell you how it tastes when we come back.
That's right. We're back with the chocolate macaroon bites. They look so good, and it makes a lot of them. But we did eat a few. I'm ready to eat.
Okay.
Yeah, you can smell it has a strong chocolate flavor. Yeah, but it smells great. Your house when you make this. There's chocolate, there's cranberries.
I can taste the ginger.
The crispy has a crunch to it, the rice. This is a great recipe. I recommend you try it. Make sure to smash the like button on this video if it's helpful.
And click up here if you want to see another video of a chocolate recipe.
Yes, see you next time. Bye!